What's going on, YouTube? I just saw him up about 5:30, and y'all heard that slogan, the early bird gets the worm, which basically means like the earlier you wake up, the more successful you'll be in your day. And so that's why I'm up here at 5:30, because I got a couple things I gotta get done before I actually start my day. God, freaking allergies are killing me. I'll check in with y'all when I get to the gym later. Hair's getting its length back, boy. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. We're here at the Lifetime Fitness. Hold on. We gotta show these people what the New Year resolution does to us gym members. Look how far back we are parked. Cause this whole parking lot is freaking packed.
This is good.
It's packed.
This is good. 1/8 of a mile.
It's a good 1/8 of a mile. I honestly debated about just come back 2 hours later. Whatever. What are we hitting?
Legs and shoulders.
Legs and shoulders. Except, not gonna record the legs because I just gave y'all a leg video like 2 weeks ago. So just gonna record the shoulders. And just countdown. 3, 2. Hold on. 3. 1. Got a little Philly man at his workstation, boy. Gonna make that dough, baby. Alright, now we're going to the gym.
Sick, car, sick, rain, pussy, nigga, keep hang. They gon' change it down, thing. Lil' pocket, got a physical, right pocket, Mustang. Why these niggas tone pistol, they won't shoot it in the rain. Damn. Technique. Lord forgive me for my sin, bow my head and pray. All my niggas going in, shouted no forget. 100,000 to the dealer, that was yesterday. Count that can, count that skrilla, nigga, underlay. We ship it out of town and show up underlay. Underlay. And if you got the cash, I pull up underlay.
This $100 cup, this $1,000 bottle, this a 2014, this a brand new model. I'm in diamond every Monday, I'm in low counting money. Man, I might just book a shunny, just to tell her that I want it. Got my pocket full of cash, got a little shorty shaking ass. Man, I'm geeked up, probably got them bitches on the molly. Got my nigga right beside me, he a rich nigga too. I know some nigga that owe me money, better pay me for
Street execs, bitch. Lord forgive me for my sin, bow my head and pray. All my niggas going in, shouted no forget. 100,000 to the dealer, that was yesterday. Count that can, count that skrilla, nigga, underlay. We ship it out of town and show up underlay. Underlay. And if you got the cash, I pull up underlay. Yeah, look, I'ma pull up in a minute. Probably catch me in a foreign windows tinted, bitches in it. And my young niggas crazy, they don't never leave on witness. Took your girl out to eat, fucked her right in front of business. And my cousin got the pack, he a Senate, where you at? Nigga say he want some act, they gon' cost your ass a stack. Hold up, let me call him back, tell him hurry up and send it. Bow my head and pray the Lord, cause he know a nigga sinning. Whoa. Lord forgive me for my sin, bow my head and pray. All my niggas going in, shouted no forget. 100,000 to the dealer, that was yesterday. Count that can, count that skrilla, nigga, underlay. We ship it out of town and show up underlay. Underlay. And if you got the cash,
Just got done hitting nice leg and shoulder workout. Got a little drama at the gym. Someone done got some tickets. But huh?
Don't park in the gosh dang
Gosh dang
handicap.
The cappy hands,
if you
dude.
got a broke neck.
That's true.
Unless
That's
you got
true.
a broken neck, you don't park in the gosh dang handicap.
Whatever, let's gonna conclude this video. check out the website if you haven't already. Macro coaching, training programs. Check it out if you're interested. We out.